In 2025's volatile markets, using outdated indicators means you're essentially trading blindfolded, while institutional traders see every move before it happens. And after personally testing over 1,000 indicators across every major market condition for nearly a decade, in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most accurate trading indicators you need in 2025. In fact, one of them is so powerful that almost no one knows about it yet. The first indicator on our list is the trend reversal probability indicator. To add it to your chart, simply head over to TradingView and click the indicator tab. Search for trend reversal probability and select the one by Algo Alpha. Now, what makes this indicator so powerful? It's the ability to calculate the exact statistical probability of a trend reversal. First, you've got the trend duration histogram, green bars for uptrends, red bars for downtrends. But the real game changer is the standard deviation levels. These horizontal lines show you exactly when a trend is statistically overextended. Look at this closely. You've got key probability zones at 14%, 50%, 84%, 98%, and 99%. When the histogram reaches these upper zones, you know the market has an extremely high probability of reversing. To make it even clearer, the indicator includes a reversal probability table that shows you the exact percentage chances of a reversal in real time. Here's how to use it. When the red histogram reaches the 99% level, it means the downtrend is statistically overextended with a high probability of reversing upward. Similarly, when the green histogram hits that 99% zone, the uptrend is likely ending. Wait for the histogram to shift color. That's your signal that the reversal is starting. The rule is simple. For high probability trades, only enter when the probability exceeds 90%. Anything less, and you're fighting the odds. But knowing the trend isn't enough. You need a tool to catch precise entry points with zero lag, which brings us to our second indicator, zero lag trend signals. To add it to your chart, simply go back to TradingView and search for zero lag trend signals. Make sure you select the one by Algo Alpha. Here's why this indicator is different from anything else on TradingView. Most entry indicators out there suffer from one fatal flaw: lag. They only signal after a move has already started, costing you valuable pips. Zero lag trend signals, on the other hand, use a proprietary algorithm that mathematically eliminates this lag, giving you signals right at the turning point. The indicator gives you 2 distinct types of entry signals. First are the major reversal signals. These big arrows appear at key trend change points, green for buy opportunities and red for sells. Second are the pullback signals. These smaller arrows appear during corrections in the main trend. They're perfect for adding to winning positions or getting in if you miss the initial move. Here's how to optimize it for different markets. For Forex, set length to 15 for the perfect balance of signal quality and timing. For stocks, increase length to 20 to filter out market noise. For crypto, reduce to 10 to catch those explosive moves early. Now, while the perfect entry signal is important, if you're trading just with entries, you're gambling with your account because you have no idea if it actually works long term. Instead, you need proven strategies like this, tested, refined, and designed to win. Strategies that tell you exactly where to enter and exit, so you're not wasting months testing random indicators. And the best part? You don't even have to trade manually. These strategies can be fully automated, so you're making profits even while you're at work or sleeping. To get access now, click the first link in the description. Now, some of the smartest traders I know validate their entries with our third indicator, the volumetric variable index. To add it to your chart, head over to TradingView and type in volumetric variable index. Make sure you select the one by Big Beluga. Now most indicators just show you price movement, but this one shows you the actual buying and selling pressure behind every move. Let me show you what makes this indicator so special. You've got the Vidya line forming a trend cloud, green for bullish and red for bearish. But here's where it gets interesting. See this volume table right here? This is where the real magic happens. The buy volume for all the bullish candles is compared to the sell volume for all the bearish candles. Now, if you take the difference between the buy volume and the sell volume expressed as a percentage, you get what's called the delta volume. This number tells you exactly how strong the trend is. When delta volume goes above 30%, you've got a strong trend with real money behind it. And when it bumps over 50%, great. That's institutional traders making their move. But when it drops below 10%, even if price still looks strong, that's your warning sign that the trend's getting weak. The rule is simple. No matter what other indicators say, if delta volume's below 10%, stay out. Period. Now, while validating your entries with strong volume is critical, volume without momentum is like a car with a full tank but no engine, not going to get you anywhere. That's why you need to know if the market has enough directional strength to sustain the move, or you'll end up stuck in trades that go nowhere for days, which is why we need to add this momentum indicator, QQEMOD, to our system. Simply head back over to TradingView and type in QQEMOD. Make sure you select the one by Michael00. Now, this isn't your regular RSI. No, this is better. While other momentum indicators lag behind, QQEMOD catches shifts in momentum before price even starts to move. Let me show you what makes it so effective. You've got the colored histogram at the bottom, blue for bullish momentum and red for bearish. But that's not all. See this white signal line? When it crosses above 50, you know bullish momentum is building. And when it crosses below 50, you know bearish pressure is taking over. But it gets better. See those colored dots above and below the histogram? Those are your exact entry and exit signals. Blue dots mark the start of bullish momentum. Red dots mark the start of bearish pressure. And when you combine it with our previous indicators, your win rate goes through the roof. Let me walk you through the perfect setup for this. First, you want funded algo showing aligned timeframes. Second, you need a zero lag signal in the same direction. Third, check that the delta volume is above 30% from our volumatic indicator. And fourth, confirm with a fresh QQEMOD signal dot. When all four conditions are met, that's your high probability setup. At this point, you have a powerful system for finding high probability trades. But even perfect entries can become losing trades without a proper management. Without systematic exit rules, emotions will creep in, causing you to take profits too early or hold losers too long. The two biggest account killers in trading. This is precisely why we complete our system with our fifth and most powerful indicator, double MACD buy sell. Head over to TradingView and search for double MACD buy sell by Dread Blitz. Let me show you what makes this tool the final piece of our trading puzzle. You've got two MACD histograms working together. The white one with settings of 12 and 26 for catching bigger moves, and the yellow one at 5 and 15 for faster signals. In the settings, make sure to disable both signal lines and change the histograms to columns, white for the back and yellow for the front. The real power comes from how these two momentum indicators interact with each other. When both histograms cross above 0 together, that's your strongest buy signal. When they cross below 0 together, that's your perfect sell signal. But here's where it truly shines for exits. When the faster yellow histogram starts diverging from the white one, that's your early warning to start tightening your stops. This 5-indicator system doesn't just find trades, it manages them from entry to exit with surgical precision. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more trading tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.